Hello everybody, today I will be teaching you inheritance and how to use it. First, what is inheritance? Inheritance is one or more child classes receiving fields, methods, etc. from a common parent. This is just like when people inherit genes from their parents. In programming, we can also do the same thing. How do we do that? Well, let's make a simple program about vehicles. First, let's make another class outside of this class program, and let's name it vehicle. Class vehicle and a set of curly braces. This is now our parent class, and inside of it, we will make our fields and methods. First, another term for a field is its characteristic. So all vehicles have speed. So let's make a speed field. So public, in order to do that, we type in public int and then speed. Let's declare it and sign it to 0. After making our field, now we do a method. Vehicles also move, so let's make a move method. Public void move and a set of curly braces. So when I call this method, I want it to output this vehicle is moving. Now we have successfully created a parent class. After this, after this parent class, we now make a child class. In order to do that, we make another class outside of this vehicle class or our parent class under this curly brace right here, and then type in class and then the name of the child class that you want. So let's make 3 classes that is related to vehicle. First, let's make a car, and then in order to find out that this is a child class, you need to put a semicolon and the name of the class that you're going to inherit it from. So vehicle, class car, which is the name of our child class, and then semicolon and then the name of the parent class, so vehicle, and then a set of curly braces. Inside of this, I wanted to have another feature or a characteristic, so let's put wheels. Public, we do the same thing here. We're just declaring our field. Public int wheels, and then let's assign it. A car usually has 4 wheels, so let's go with that. And then we will make 2 more child classes. So one would be for a bike. So a bike usually has 2 wheels, and then a boat which has 0 wheels. Now in order to call on these, no, wait, first, this is our parent class, and we have successfully made 3 of our child class. Now, in order to use these methods or fields that we did, we have to instantiate them. So, let's start by doing that. Let's start by instantiating our car. So, car equals new car. And then also for our bike equals new bike. And also our boat equals new boat. Now, we have instantiated our child classes. The next step, in order to call these, is you type in the child class you want to call. So for example, I want to call on the car class. So in order to do that, I will display its wheels. For example, console right line, we type in the name of our the instantiated with it, so car dot and whatever characteristic we need. For example, the wheels first. So once I run this, we should be able to see the wheels, which is located here, and the value of it. So once we run it, Control F5, there we go. Let's also call on the the characteristics that we can inherit from our parent class. So in order to do that, we do the same thing, but this time we call on the variable that we declared in our parent class, so speed. Let's also include our go method, no, our move method. We do that by typing the name of our instantiation and then the name of our method, move. There we go. Once we run this, we should be able to see the speed, the wheels, and the move method of our car. There we go. Our car has 4 wheels, 0 speed, and the move method we did. Let's also do the same for the other vehicles, such as the bike and the boat. You can just copy and paste this. And then this is for our bike. And then our boat. Oops. Our boat. Once I run this, we should be able to see all of our values, including the wheels, the speed, and our move method. There we go. So basically, the benefit of this is we're allowed to reuse this code without having to type it again. So yes, theoretically, we can just copy and paste this into each of these classes. Yes, we can do that. But imagine you had to do that for 1,000 classes, and then after doing that, you suddenly had to change this method. Like you have to change the name of this method instead of move, like go. Once you change it here, you're also gonna have to change it over here. So instead of doing that, we can just inherit it from our parent class, and we're only gonna have to change it one time. And that, everybody, is inheritance. Thank you.